The Strategy 3 series loudspeakers are not only the high performance and great quality you expect from AtlasIED, but they are also equipped with our innovative Safety First mounting system, a technology that outclasses conventional loudspeaker installation methods. This new mounting system makes installations quicker, easier, and safer. Just place your ceiling loudspeaker. When you pull down on the first mounting handle, the dogleg mount will rotate and lock to the ceiling material. Return the handle. It's that simple. The specially designed rubber shoe makes it secure and absorbs vibrations. It works for any type of ceiling tile material, from thin metal to double-thick sheetrock. Repeat for the remaining two handles, and that's it. Our tap selector switch is front-mounted for easy system tuning adjustments, and our standard press-fit grills blend well into contemporary architecture. For a more custom match to your space, we also offer press-fit edgeless grills in round white, square white, round black, and square black. 3 models comprise the Strategy 3 family. The FAP63T, our 6.5-inch coaxial system, the FAP43T, our 4.5-inch coaxial system, and the FAP33T with our 3-inch full-range driver. These products are UL 1480 and 2043 listed and are fire signaling UUMW rated, which means they can be used in both fire protective signaling systems as well as general communications. The Strategy 3s are designed with AtlasIED excellence and innovation. They require no install tools, and you'll have no over-torqued or broken mounts, and no fear of falling loudspeakers. Learn more about our revolutionary Strategy 3 loudspeakers and other AtlasIED innovations at AtlasIED.com.